welcome back to Let's Cook That. We're gonna be making agua fresca de fresa, but with milk in it. It's gonna be very delicious, okay? So it's a strawberry milk agua fresca, but let's get started. So we have some strawberries here. We're gonna use some of the whole strawberries to blend it, and then I do have some cut in bite size that we're gonna add after we already have everything blended. Then I have one of the Carnation evaporated milk. Then I have one of the Lechera. And then I have some extra sugar, but that we're gonna see if we need it. We're gonna go ahead and put our whole strawberries into the blender. We're gonna add some water and we're gonna blend this first. Put it through the strainer just so we can remove all the excess of the seeds. We don't want all those seeds in there. Okay, so then we're gonna put it back into the blender. Back into the blender. And then we're gonna add the Carnation. And then we're gonna add the Lechera. We're gonna blend everything together. Sometimes with the Lechera, it's enough sweetness for it, and sometimes it's not. So it depends how sweet you want it. That's when we're gonna add the other sugar. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this again. Look how cool it looks. Looks like a strawberry shortcake. Let's go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. Oh, I think this is gonna be a lot. So then we're gonna add water, which I think I'm gonna have to split it into two. I'm gonna stir it, try it, see if it needs more sugar or see how the taste stir. It's good. Maybe a little bit more sugar, not too much, a little bit. Like this in half. Let's stir. Okay, this is perfect. So now let's put in our strawberries. This tastes, if you guys been to the Michoacana, this tastes just like the ones from the Michoacana. This is too good to have it in here. So I'm gonna put it in here because it gotta look cute, you guys. And maybe if we throw in a little bit more strawberries. But you guys, I'm telling you, this is really good. Put some ice in it. Let me transfer it over. If you want the color to be more pink, a lot of people do add the food coloring, but it has a very good flavor, you guys. Look how yummy it looks. Very, very delicious. Sure, does it fit? Okay, now let's try it. Well, I already tried it and I know it's good, but... Oh, I made a mess. Oh, we need more strawberries. You could put a whole bunch of strawberries in there. And there we go. Doesn't this look delicious? I put more strawberries in there. This looks very yummy. Needs to be a little bit more cold, but it is very good, you guys. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy making it, and leave your comments below if you made them or not. And your kids are gonna love it. Your whole family's gonna love it. But once again, give it thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook.